So next topic is step down chopper with RL load. That is the diagram of step down chopper with RL load. This is the supply voltage. This is chopper, or we can say switch. This is a freewheeling diode. That is the RL load. That is the output across this load. So operation of a step down chopper. Basically, there are two modes of operation of step down chopper. First mode, that is when chopper is on. When chopper is on, the current flow in the direction in this direction. The freewheeling diode is reverse in this time. Current flow, that is the current flow in this direction, and this inductor gets energized by supplying voltage Vs. The polarity across inductor is here the positive, here negative, and output voltage across the load is V output, that is equal to the V, that is the supply voltage, or we can say V output, that is equal to the Vs. Okay. That is a figure 2 shows a step down chopper with RL load and freewheeling diode. And when chopper is on, the supply is connected across the load and current flows from the supply to the load, and we will get output, and the output that is equal to V output, that is equal to the supply voltage. Okay. Next, that is the second mode when chopper is off. This is the diagram of a step down chopper when chopper is off. Chopper is off means switch is open. This chopper is open. When switch is open, the supply voltage is disconnects from load side. The inductor can release energy, and when inductor released its energy, it changes its polarity, that is negative here and positive here. This time the current flow in this direction, the same direction, this, and the freewheeling diode starts conducting, but the output voltage across the load is equal to the 0. That means when chopper is on, we get some output, that is V output, that is equal to the supply voltage, that is equal to Vs. And when chopper is off, there is no output across the load, that is 0. Similarly, same points, when chopper is off, the load current I0 continues to flow in the same direction through the freewheeling diode due to the energy stored in the inductor L. The load current can be continuous or discontinuous depending on the values of L and duty cycle. For a continuous current operation, the load current is assumed to vary between limits I minimum and I maximum. So this is the waveforms of current and output voltage waveforms for a continuous current and discontinuous current operation. Basically, this diagram shows the operation of a step down chopper with RL load in the form of a waveform. When chopper is on, the inductor starts charging from its minimum value to maximum value. That is from I minimum to I maximum, and output voltage across the load is V output, that is equal to the Vs. Means when chopper is on, there is some output that is equal to V output equal to Vs. Similarly, when chopper is off, the inductor starts discharging and output voltage across the load is 0. That is, this time is known as the T-on when the chopper is on, when the chopper starts conduction. And when chopper is When switch is closed, this time is known as the T off. This T denotes total time, that is T equal to T on plus T off. So this is the waveform of output voltage and the load current waveforms. Thank you.